This is the Auto-Sleeper Warwick XL. Hi, I'm Nigel at SMC Motorhomes, and today we're looking around the iconic Warwick XL from Auto-Sleeper. Let's take a look around the van. Firstly, it's built on the Fiat 3.5 ton chassis. At this weight, it gives you 411 kilograms of user payload. They do allow for a 75 kilo driver and 90% worth of fuel in there. The van itself is 6.3 metres long, 2.05 metres wide and 2.58 metres high. Moving down this side, we've got the Fiat alloy wheels, which really complement the van well. And like all Auto-Sleepers, it comes fitted with the underslung gas tank. 25 litres of gas in there. Got the toilet service point there. Moving further back, we've got our electric hookup and our TV point. So if you're on a service pitch where they have their own satellite system or TV aerial, you can plug into that. Down below here, we've then got the water drain downs for fresh and waste. On this van, we have 69 litres of fresh water and 40 litres for wastewater. We then have our whale pump system for filling your fresh water up there. And moving further back, we've got the exhaust for the whale heating system. These vans also come with a spare wheel fitted as standard, and we have a valve just here so you can check your tyre pressure without getting under the van. Around the back of the vehicle, we've got a wide-angled reverse camera. Gives you a really nice view down the road and very close to the van. Up onto this side, we have got the gas barbecue point. Again, standard equipment on this van. And then moving along, we have our second way of filling the water, which is a hose pipe system. As we go inside the vehicle, we have an electric step here, and then up above we have the nice LED light for the awning as well. So let's get inside and see all the other features. So here in the cab area, we've got all the features you come to expect from Auto-Sleeper. We've got the leather steering wheel, the radio controls, electric handbrake which automatically releases as you move away. We've got the radio edge unit which you can link to your phone, and they will then give you the capability to use CarPlay for your navigation system. We've also got front and side cab blinds for the privacy in the evening when you want to close them. Moving back from the cab, we've got all the pockets around for storing maps, etc. And a feature that I think is very nice about this van is the captain seats, where we can sit and watch the world go by out of the habitation door. Moving back from the cab area, above the habitation door we've got the two control panels, the main one for all of your electronics and then the heater panel. This new panel is very intuitive, and I've just scrolled through it and it is really too easy to understand. So it is just swipe and press to bring up what you want. Now let's take a look at the kitchen area in this van, which is really massive for the size of the vehicle. We've got a full oven with grill, 3 burner gas hob above. Next to that we've got a sink with drainer, and then being Auto-Sleeper, they even supply you with a little plate drainer that clips onto the top of the sink there. Above this we've got the extractor fan and then a microwave. Again, down below, the nice large fridge for the van. Really impressive area this, I think, because you've got lots of storage, lots of preparation area. And another feature that I think is very nice in these vans is how rounded everything is. There's no sharp edges, everything is just really rounded off and finished nicely. So now let's take a look in the washroom. Quite surprisingly, this van has got a separate shower and toilet area. The shower's nice and large with lots of space to move around in. And then moving down and around to the toilet, we've got lots of storage with racks for all of your shower gels and such like, and some nice LED lighting in there. Continuing with the quality feel of this van, we've got these really nice sofas in the rear, and then just forward of that we've got the big mirror, we've got a wardrobe space and lots of drawers. Now, in this area, we can use it for lounging in the evening. We do have two table options. You have a full-sized fold-out table, which can also be used outside of the van, but then we have the small table which plugs into the floor just to the side of me here. So your little drinks table for your gin and tonics in the evening. Now, these two sofas are over 6 foot long, so you can sleep them as a single bed, or you can then pull them together and make a very large double, which we're now going to show you. Firstly, let's look at how we make them up into single beds. So you could use them like this, or alternatively, thank you for watching our video on this Warwick XL. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and let us know your thoughts on this van in the comment section below. And we will see you in the next video.